Look up. What you see is a deception. You're not looking at a static painting of stars, you're looking at a memory, a vast, terrifying echo of a cosmos that is fundamentally unknowable. For all of human history, we've sought boundaries: the horizon, the atmosphere, the solar system. But there is one final frontier, one edge that forever retreats from our grasp, the ultimate boundary of all existence. The question isn't simply, how big is the universe? The question is, why can we never, for all of eternity, reach its end? Why does the very fabric of space and time conspire to keep the universe's final secret hidden? Welcome to the abyss. Welcome to the relentless speed limit of reality. This is why you will never see the edge of the universe. Our journey begins with the simplest yet most brutal truth of physics: the speed of light. For a light beam, the fastest thing in the cosmos, crossing a single light year takes an entire year. And the deepest reaches of the night sky, they are billions of light years away. When you gaze at the spectacular glow of a distant galaxy, you are not seeing it now. You are seeing it as it was eons ago. You are an archaeologist of time, staring at the ghosts of stars. This defines our observable universe. It's a 93 billion light-year bubble centered directly on you. Why 93 billion if the universe is only 13.8 billion years old? Because while the light was traveling toward us, the space it was crossing was stretching. But here's the unsettling truth: the observable universe is not the actual universe. It's just the part light has had time to reach us from since the Big Bang. Beyond that, in the shadows lies the infinite expanse of the total cosmos, a place where light has not yet arrived, a place that is, by definition, forever hidden from human sight. If the universe was simply a fixed volume, we might one day reach its edge. But the universe is a living, breathing entity, and it's expanding relentlessly. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble committed the ultimate act of cosmic treason. He looked at the distant galaxies and saw something bizarre. Their light was redder than it should be. This is the redshift. It's the universe's Doppler effect. Think of a siren. As it speeds away, the sound waves stretch and the pitch drops. The light from distant galaxies is doing the same thing. The space between us and them is expanding, stretching their light waves down toward the red end of the spectrum. Every distant galaxy, Hubble realized, is fleeing from us. But it gets worse. For a time, scientists believed this expansion would slow down, perhaps even reverse in a dramatic big crunch. They were wrong.
Astronomers think that the universe appears to be expanding at an accelerating rate.
My body is held together by the electromagnetism in my atoms. But what if the expansion of space increases and accelerates and it even overcomes those forces? Astronomers are calling that the Big Rip. And although we don't know this will happen, it's a possibility that eventually the expansion will get strong enough to rip apart atoms, to rip apart our very bodies. Even matter will fly apart.
In 1998, observations of supernovae revealed a new, horrifying reality. The universe isn't just expanding, the expansion is accelerating. This cosmic acceleration is caused by a mysterious, all-pervasive antagonist. We call it dark energy.
We have no idea what's causing this, so I'll let you in on a secret here. Whenever astronomers don't know something, they tend to say dark. Dark energy.
We don't know what it is, we can't see it. We can only feel its power. The invisible, repulsive force that makes up nearly 70% of the entire energy density of the universe. Dark energy is the engine of cosmic escape, and it's fueling an ever faster flight from the edge. The reason you will never see the edge isn't because there's a wall. It's because the space between you and that edge is growing faster than the speed of your sight. Imagine trying to walk toward the end of a moving walkway, but the walkway is speeding up faster than you can run. At a certain distance, no matter how fast you travel, even if you moved at the speed of light, the space being created behind you would outpace your movement. You would be frozen in place, never making headway. This is the grim reality of our cosmic existence. Due to the relentless acceleration of dark energy, there are galaxies right now, shining brilliantly whose light will never reach us. They are already being carried away by the cosmic current, faster than the speed of light can cross the distance. These regions haven't left the universe. They have simply moved beyond our cosmic horizon. The edge of the universe is not a place. It's a boundary of velocity, and it is the boundary that forever retreats from us, taunting us with its promise of infinity. The implications of this acceleration are devastating for the future.
There comes a time when our galaxy will merge with the Andromeda galaxy and becoming one galaxy twice the size. And it will become only us in our pocket of the universe. And all other galaxies would have receded beyond our horizon. And the night sky, as seen from Earth, would contain only stars and nothing else in the universe.
We live in the universe's golden age of sight. We can look up and see the light from trillions of galaxies, the great cosmic tapestry woven over billions of years. But this view is temporary. Billions of years from now, the galaxies that are currently being pulled away from us will move so far, so fast, that their light will finally fade from view. Their redshift will become so extreme, so immense, that they will essentially wink out of existence for any future observer. Our descendants, if they survive, will look up at a cold, black, empty sky.
Everything we know about the history and origin of the universe is because we can see these other galaxies out to the edge of the universe. But in the distant future, when they all recede beyond our horizon, gone is any record of the history of the universe, the Big Bang, the expansion, everything. There'll be no indicators left to tell us. It'll be an entire chapter of the history of the universe ripped from the book. Post-apocalyptic civilizations will say, yeah, the universe is just the stars in the night sky.
They will see only the few dozen galaxies bound to our local group, the Andromeda Galaxy, the Triangulum Galaxy, a tiny, lonely island in a boundless ocean of darkness. They will have no way of knowing what wonders lie beyond. The very concept of the universe's past, present, and scale will be locked away, lost to the eternal darkness of an expanding void. This fate has a name: the Big Freeze, a slow, chilling march toward a universe of total cosmic isolation. The ultimate truth is this: we will never see the edge of the universe, not because of a barrier, but because of a speed, the speed at which existence itself is being ripped apart from us. The universe doesn't have an edge, it has a velocity, and that relentless, unstoppable velocity ensures that the boundary of what we know, our cosmic horizon, will always be smaller than the reality it contains. We are trapped in a bubble of sight, eternally dwarfed by the magnificent, terrifying expanse that lies just beyond the reach of the fastest thing in the cosmos. But in that defeat, there is a victory. It means that the universe is not finite, it is not caged, it is limitless, and its mysteries are as boundless as the dark energy that defines its fate. If this journey into the abyss sparked your wonder, like this video and share it with someone else who dares to look up. Subscribe and hit the bell for more secrets of the universe.